is a group of Andrews, other than exceptional? Do you know what a group of cats is called? A clouder.
What's a group of Andrews called?
What's a group of Andrews called? Exhausting.
What do you call a group of Andrews?
I can't say bad words.
Like a group of kittens, I think it's called a pounce. I'm not even kidding.
What kind of Andrew?
What is
A Garza?
I was gonna say flock. That's the first thing that comes to mind.
Maybe a collection?
Oh, this is a Kindle of kittens. I reject that.
I call them the Andrews. I met with the Andrews today. Literally, it's the thing I do.
Or we could go crows. It's a murder of Andrews.
A group of cats is called a clouder or a pounce.
Group of the Andrews. A party.
A school bus full of kindergartners.
I mean, if you're gonna make me default, it'd be a murder, like a murder of crows, and because that's what we do to opposing counsel.